In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll move through this in a simple, clear flow so you can follow along without pausing. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Notion, then select the official Notion website from the results. This just makes it easy to get to the right place without memorizing a URL. When the page loads, take a second to confirm you're on the official Notion site so everything looks familiar and secure. Next, click Log In at the top of the Notion homepage. If you're already signed in on this browser, Notion may take you straight into your workspace. If not, choose your usual sign-in method and complete the sign-in process. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure the one that opens is the workspace where you want to work. That prevents confusion later when you're looking for your duplicated content. Once you're in Notion, open the page or database you want to work with. You're looking for the six-dot icon that opens the More Options menu. Depending on your view, this can appear near the page or database title, or alongside an item you've selected. Hover near the title area or the top right controls until you see an icon made of small dots. Click that six-dot icon to reveal additional actions. If you don't spot it immediately, try widening your browser window or switching to the full page view. Notion can hide some controls when space is tight. In the menu that appears, find Duplicate and click it. Notion will instantly create a copy of the current page or database view. The new copy typically appears right beside the original in your sidebar or under the same parent page, often with a name like Copy of. That way, you can keep the original intact while you experiment, restructure, or adapt the content for a different purpose. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If duplicate is missing or grayed out, you might have view-only access to that page. In that case, you'll need edit permissions from the workspace owner before duplication is allowed. If you're on a smaller screen or a different layout, the option might live under a More or menu, but it will function the same way once you open it. After the copy is created, you can safely rename it and adjust its location later, knowing your source remains unchanged. That's it. You used Google to get to Notion, logged in, opened the More Options via the six dots, and duplicated the content, clean, reliable, and fast.